stools are there in front of you. Each stool has got one plate. In that plate, some vegetables are kept. Some vegetables are kept. You have to feel the vegetables and remember what vegetables those are. Only touch and remember. Touch and remember the vegetables. Then we will take you inside. We'll remove the vegetables. We'll remove your threads also. Understood? And then you have to remember those. You have to write in the paper. Is it clear?
Once again, I will give you instructions.
Yeah.
Okay. Now there are 6 vegetables lying in each plate in front of you. You are blindfolded. You have to recognize the vegetables with your hands without seeing it because you are not able to see them. Then what will happen? You remember the names of the vegetables. After that, you will be given a piece of paper to write the names of all the vegetables. Those who can write the maximum number, the names of the vegetables, they will be chosen as first, second and third. Okay, here you are selecting only first and second or first, second, third. Okay, now when the whistle blows off, you have to start it. And when the whistle blows again, you have to stop it. Okay,
Yes.
you will be given as time for that. It's not that maximum, that unlimited time is not there. Understood? Everyone has understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Afterwards, we'll open this fold and you can now first give the whistle and once again when the time is over, give the whistle again.
Yes.
By that time only it should be able to recognize it.
Carrot.
No, you are not speaking. You remember it.
You have to remember. That's all.
You have to remember it, write it in the piece of paper afterwards. Those who remember the maximum names of the vegetables, they will be given the first prize. Recognize them with the touch of your fingers or hands, whatever you want to do. Okay, there are 6 of them. Remember maximum names so that you can get the prize.
Keep it. Yes.
Stop it now and open their eyes now.
Hey,
No, not now. Let us remove the vegetables from there. Let us remove the vegetables, keep them aside, hide them. Now you can open your eyes.
Open from back.
And tight.
Now there are papers lying in front of you. Write the names of you can put them in there. No problem. You remove it from the eyes, that's all. Come, start writing. अम्मा नीचे कर दो, that's all. हाँ? चल पीछे से निकल जाओ.
Write your name.
Write your name. First
Write your names and the names of the vegetables.
Then write it.
The one who writes first, they can report to Usha. The one who writes first, they can report to Usha. No one will tell you what you have seen. You have to write it, remember and write.
No, I
Those who write first,
don't know.
no one will tell you what you have seen.
No, I don't know.
Write down what you know right now.
Write down the one who goes first after writing. Report to Usha teacher after writing immediately. If you delay, remember the name, that how.
Spelling also. Spelling also. What is the spelling only?
Because you are in
Give it now.
I am